Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you are doing great. Wonderful. Okay, today we are going to learn about materials, different materials that our world is made up of. Our world is made up of different kinds of materials like rocks, water, air, sand and so many things. These materials are divided into three categories or three groups, which are solids, liquids and gases. We can call them three states of matter as well. They are solids, liquids and gases. So let's begin with solids first. Solid is anything which has a definite shape. Let's see an example. I've got these wooden blocks with me. I'm going to hold this wooden block in my hand and I can easily hold it in my hand. Yes. Now I'm going to put another block at the top. One more. One more. Wow. I can pile them up because they have a definite shape. But can you do this with water? No, it's going to flow away. Yes, water does not have a definite shape, or any liquid does not have a definite shape. So, the things which have a definite shape and which does not need any container to hold, these are called solids. For example, your book, pencil, your bed, chair, these are all the examples of solids. Let's have few examples of liquids. Yes, liquids. Milk, tea, orange juice. Yes, water, oil. These are all the examples of liquids. Liquids do not have a definite shape. Any of the liquid does not have a definite shape. Yes, they need a container. For example, I've got this water with me. I'm going to pour it into this cup. See, this water has taken the shape of the container. It has taken the shape of the cup. Now I'm going to pour this water in this glass. Wow! Now the water has taken the shape of the glass. When it was in the cup, it has taken the shape of the cup. Now it is in a glass, it has taken the shape of a glass. Now I'm going to put this water in a jug. Now the water has taken the shape of the jug. Same can be done with milk. If I pour the milk in a cup, it will take the shape of the cup. If I pour it in a glass, the milk will take the shape of a glass. And if I'll pour it in the jug, it will take the shape of the jug. This proves that liquids do not have a definite shape. Yes, liquids do not have a definite shape, but they have a fixed volume. Yes. Now let's move on to gases. We know that our atmosphere is surrounded by air all over. Yes, our atmosphere is surrounded by air. Air is a mixture of different gases. But can you see these gases? No, we cannot see these gases. Yes. So, we know that air is a mixture of different gases. Gases also do not have a definite shape. They also take the shape of the container. And we have to keep them in a closed container. Otherwise, it will escape away in the surroundings. Because gases can move freely here and there. So, if you put them in a container, they can spread out in the surrounding. It can move out. It diffuse out. So, if you want to keep a gas in a container, we need a closed container. So, Today we learned about the definite shape of solids, and we learned that liquids and gases take the shape of the container. We learned about liquid, gases and solids today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. You can repeat watching the video again and again if you want to clear the concept. Take very good care of yourself. Have fun with our online lessons and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is The Country School Pakistan. Stay safe, keep learning. Bye-bye.